First, choose the Guests module in the menu on the left. Next, open the Guest card, which contains detailed information about the guest. Then, hit the plus button near the appropriate status in the Guest Status section. Finally, check whether the newly assigned status is displayed near the name of the guest. You can add multiple statuses or uncheck them. To add your own labels in the guest card, click on the Add Custom button. Then write the name of the new status in the name field. Next, add a corresponding icon in the icon field. After that, choose the color of the icon in the color field. Click Save to save all changes. The newly created status is available for using.